Hello YouTubers. I was going to do a video on this on picaroons, but I haven't decided whether it's going to be too windy out here to do a demonstration on that. So what I decided to do is switch it up on to exercising the vehicles. We're going to go back here and exercise the 544. We're going to go over and exercise the sawmill engine, and we're going to exercise, I can't see anything in the screen anymore, but there's a bulldozer. There it is. I think that's a track machine. I can't see what it's so bright out here with the snow, I'm kind of half snow blind, but it's windy. So the demonstration or the talk I wanted to have on what I wanted to have a talk on, the controversial thing, I don't know that I'll be able to do it. If the wind dies down, I will, but with starting up those vehicles, it really doesn't make much difference whether there's a whole lot of noise in the wind, because you're going to be hearing machine noise. It is beautiful out. It is probably 60 degrees. It might be a little stronger than that. It is a wet mess. Where there isn't snow and ice, there's mud. But what I like to do in this kind of weather is just let the machines exercise a little bit. It's warm enough up here, it won't be real strenuous on the battery. This thing hadn't been started in, I don't even remember the last time I started. Look at the water running through here. Can you see? I don't know if this is picking up on that or not. I can't tell. Like I said, the screen, I'm so snow blind, but the water is just running down here like big time. So you can't run machines like this. Anyhow, what I want to try to do is start this beast up. I keep a solar charger on it. That's what this is. So it should be fairly hot. It's always been a pretty good starter. It's kind of messed up in here, so we'll turn that on. We'll see if it'll start. There you go. Now we'll let it run and warm up. While that one's running up, we'll go over to the sawmill. The water's just running through here. This is all debris left over from when I had that wood processor in here. I haven't cleaned it up. Here you can see the water. This is, I guess you can see it. I just don't know what you can see, but you can't run equipment in this kind of weather. Looks like it's drying. Well, no, no, we ain't running equipment in this kind of weather. I gotta figure out something to do to get this water off of this roof, because it comes down off the roof and comes down here. I might have to put drain tile or something in there. Oh, let's see if the old sawmill will start. That's been a while. We got oil pressure. We got charging. Let it run for a little bit. Oh, look at this mud. Oh, yes. It is nice out here. Let's see. Remember before we had all sorts of racks up here with wood in it? They're all just about wearing down. It doesn't seem too windy. Maybe the winds will let up. And like I said, if I can get that other one in, I'm going to. There's two racks there that are empty. There are, I guess, 2 racks there that are empty. There's a rack there that's empty. So we've chewed up a lot of wood. See if this old beast. This one here likes ether, so I don't know whether it'll start or not. Let's see what we'll do. Nah, this one likes ether. No point in stretching the battery, so we'll give it a quick thought. It's addicted, man. It likes drugs. See what we got here in the let's see what we got. We got pressure here, we got pressure here. I gotta go, oh, we got the pressure over there. I gotta go energize the alternator. The alternator energizer part went bad, so Oh man, I don't know if you can get there from here. There's a wire in here that you gotta hit to energize it, right there. Now we'll see if it's charging. Yeah, look at that. Now we're charging. I guess yeah, now we're charging. Can't get around the back, I don't think. Yeah, I guess I can. Oh, I'll let it run till it charges up a little bit. Uh-oh. The lid came off my wood a little bit here. Had to put that back on. Ah, there's an ocean up there, a swimming pool. Well, kinda, must be another swimming pool in here someplace. The snow's kinda got it pulled down. I'm not worrying about it. I got air gaps through here, so it dries out. This is next year's. There might be one basket in here for this year, but I think this is mostly next year's wood. Once again, you can see the water. So we got all three machines running. This one's going to probably take a little while to charge up. It was pretty low. It's down below 15% now. It's been a good old machine. I bought it used back in 82 or 83. And I think it needs a valve job, but I doubt that it'll get it. Probably get it right after it drops a valve. Look at the mud. There's that pole that I put in a while back. I came down with the snow on it. Didn't really have that much snow on it, maybe 3 inches. And it's exactly where I want it. Just loose enough that you can get it out and pull the pins. I guess you can't see that. So I know it's not coming down. Let's we'll run the sawmill up and down the track a bit. You got to disengage the clutch here. You can watch it down there. Watch the clutch next to the thing. It go in, and I got to come back and put it in gear. Oh, there's the wind. Oh, get through here. Belts are probably a little tight. I'm not going to crank it up too much. Yeah, the belts are tight. We got moisture on them. It's good to exercise all this stuff. You know, you got a nice day like this in the middle of the winter, or halfway through the winter. That's 30 foot of carriage there, guys. Where can I put it so it'd be neat? Maybe I can set this on here and not have it. I don't know about that. I need to put a board on there first. I'm just playing. Here's a board. I'm going to put you there for a minute. Put a board on here. Raise the dog up a bit. I don't know whether you can see it or not. I don't want to come up. Put this down. Put the dog on this. Oops, didn't want to go. This old dog is stiff because it's not been oiled. I might be able to keep a camera after this. We don't know. We're going to run you down the track. Way. I don't know what you're seeing because we're just gonna try it. That's your log way. If you were a log, that's what you would have seen. Now we go ahead and turn it off. So all I gotta do is press this, and that knocks out my power, knocks out the power here. Then I go down and take it out of gear. Then we'll turn it off. Turn it off, and then we got to release that thing that's holding it. I just hit it here, you'll hear it. That lets the pressure off. I'm still carrying over 100 pounds of pressure. Now we'll go turn off the 544. I think everything is kind of exercised up, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that video that might come out before this one. Now we're tromping through the ocean. Don't ask me what that noise is at the end when you turn it off, but it always does that. If you know what it is because you have 544s, I hope it's nothing to worry about, but let me know if it is. Probably won't do anything about it though. Now we got to go all the way up there to the old dozer, see what it's charged up to. Trying to keep you guys out. I think I'll go ahead and do that other video, and it's going to be if it takes and it's good, it'll be before this one. If it doesn't take, I don't know whether I'll redo it or not. There comes the wind in again. But with the motor running, it doesn't make any difference. I got the battery down down to about, charging at about 5 now, so we'll shut her off. Things are getting stiff. Got to get it out and oil it up. Anyhow, just exercising the machine, walk around the sawmill, look at mud. That's it for this one. Over and out.